Friends, let me challenge you with a story that has been an inspiration to my life. There is a man in Singapore, Dr. Y.O. Tan, one of the pioneers of oncology in our nation. He is 80 years old, mind you. Most people at that age slow down, step back, or fade quietly into retirement, but not him. Every morning he wakes up, put on his white coat, that is his trademark, his white coat, and walks slowly but steadily into the clinic to see his cancer patients. And mind you, he just had his hip surgery. Most would have taken months to rest, but Dr. Tan, he was back, stronger in spirit ever. Why? Because he has something many young people today struggle to find: a purpose bigger than himself. This is a man who has seen the world, witnessed breakthroughs from chemotherapy to immunotherapy, saved lives others had written off, and walked through valleys of sorrow with patients and families. But ask him why he keeps going, and he'll tell you, because life begins at 80. Imagine that. At 80, he sees himself at chapter 1. Young people, hear me out. You don't need to wait for success to start living. You don't need permission to make a difference. You don't need to have it all figured out before you begin. If an 80-year-old man, fresh from hip surgery, can walk into the hospital every day with the curiosity of a child and the hunger to improve the lives of others, then surely you can rise up today. Be curious, be resilient, be humble, be willing to serve, because the world doesn't need more influencers, more followers, more noise. The world needs more Dr. Tans. People who live passionately, work purposefully, give generously. And here's my challenge to you. Start practicing now. Your real life may begin at 80, but your preparation starts today. Go, make your life count. Hi, I'm Jeremiah, your heart and health mentor.